Hey guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make cake decoration sails the easiest way. There are a lot of techniques can be used in making sugar sails alike, such as using isomalt and chocolate, but both techniques are quite intricate and time consuming, well at least for me. So today, I discovered a new easy way creating those decoration sails using only 3 ingredients: rice paper, bowl of water, and some coloring if you like. So this is the rice paper. It can be found in any grocery stores. If you are located not anywhere near Asian region, drop by to any Asian stores, you will find one. This rice paper is usually used to make Vietnam spring roll. First, cut the rice paper into sizes that you prefer. In this case, I'm dividing it into 2 pieces. Prepare a bowl of water. Tint the water into any colors you like, using water-based, oil-based, or gel-based food coloring. Then, soak the rice paper one by one. While waiting for the rice paper to soften for about 3 to 4 minutes, prepare a mold to shape using aluminium foil, or you can use silicone mat to help holding the shape of the rice paper later. Once the rice paper is softened, place them on the aluminium foil and put them in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes, 80 to 100 degrees depending on your respective oven. You can also leave and dry them just like that for a few hours. After the rice paper has hardened, remove them from the mold and you can see a very nice shape of decoration sail that resemble more or less the same like isomalt sail, but in this case it's more translucent. If you like, add some effects on the tip of the rice paper sail using shimmering powder diluted with some vinegar or lemon juice. So basically we're done. Hassle-free of rice paper sail, and you can decorate like a pro with only 3 ingredients: rice paper, water, and some coloring. If you think this is helpful, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!